Miles Guo's whistleblowing told us that the Chinese real estate market value is 95 trillion. 95 trillion. Okay. The gross domestic product value for China right now, the number is a little bit old because I created this charts probably a year and a half ago. So right now the GDP probably gone above 15 trillion a year. Okay. But look at the real estate market value. It's a 6 times more. Okay, almost 7 times of their GDP. But in comparison, that's a US data at the second line at the bottom, the right-hand bottom. Your real estate market value is 33.6 trillion US dollars, but your GDP is above 20. So it's not even twice yet. Japan is about twice. Okay, so 10.8 real estate market value, but 5.1 trillion GDP. And then look at British, Germany, and France. Okay, European country. There's 31.5 in total in the real estate market value, and then compared to the 9.12, that's not even. That's a little bit above 4. Not even 4 times yet, 3 times, 3.5 times. And then if you're adding all those countries together, all those 5 countries that I mentioned below the China, if you add them together, it's 75 trillion, 76 trillion, but the total GDP is 35. So roughly twice, okay, a little bit over twice of the times of the GDP. But look at China. We're sitting in a ticking time bomb. This is going to be the first domino bricks to fall. Okay. And they're already falling. They're faltering. Because why? Because what I have put it here are the news clippings. These are just headlines that happened recently. The very first one is just August 18th. Evergrande files for U.S. bankruptcy protection as China economic fears mount. Okay. They already filed Chapter 15 bankruptcy. They default on their bond note payment. Okay. So the bond that helped underwritten by those international banks to UK, to US investors, they have not been able to pay. This is not the first default. This is actually the second default in the year. Miles warned us in 2021. Okay, at that time, they already crumbling. But the Chinese Communist Party never had any decision is a political decision. It's not an economic decision because they control the timing that you go explode.